Hello from Pajamas. We've built a website started designed specifically for finance teams, and in this video I'll walk you through its features and how we put it together. The idea behind this template is simple: help finance companies launch new brands, campaigns, or product lines quickly without starting from scratch. You get a professional design, great performance, and modern features ready to go from day one. It's powered by Astro, Storyblok, Netlify, and PostHog. Together, these tools give you fast development, intuitive content editing, a smooth deployment, and even a foundation for A/B testing. Let's start with the content side. For content management, we use Storyblok, one of the most editor-friendly CMSs out there. The visual editor, live preview, and block-based approach mean editors always know exactly what they're working on. We set up modular content model with blocks like hero, features, testimonials, and reports. Editors can build and rearrange pages visually without depending on developers. Originally, this was just going to be a landing page, but we added a report content type. So now it's also a hub for financial reports or research. It can also be used as a blog. You get a report list page and a featured reports section on the homepage. The template is multilingual by default. Editors can switch languages easily, and with the Storyblok's AI translation plugin, launching into a new market is just a couple of clicks away. We also added a site settings content type to handle things like logos, nav items, and company details. Again, no code needed. And of course, every page has SEO metadata fields built in, so you're set up for a search engine from the start. Now the code side of things. We chose Astro because it's designed for content-driven, high-performance sites. It generates super fast, SEO-friendly pages and nails core web vitals out of the box. Astro's file-based routing kept our codebase clean and scalable. Combined with the Storyblok's API and block structure, we could manage to power most of this template with just one slug file. We also use Astro's image component to serve responsive optimized images. Paired with the Storyblok's image service, that means high-quality visuals that are lightweight and SEO friendly. For multilingual labels and messages, we went with local dictionary files, though you could also handle that with the Storyblok data sources if you want to keep everything inside the CMS. Astro also gives you island architecture and partial hydration, so you can ship zero JavaScript by default and only load it where you really need interactivity. We didn't need much of that here, but it's nice to know the option is there if you scale the project further. Now let's talk about deployment. We're hosting this on Netlify. Netlify makes deployments seamless, especially for static site pages. Editor makes changes in Storyblok, developers push updates, and the site goes live instantly. Netlify, Astro, and Storyblok also support hybrid and server-side rendering setups if you need them, but for this project, static pages is the perfect fit: fast, secure, and simple to maintain. Last but not least, let's talk about PostHog. To make things more interesting, we added A/B testing with PostHog. Say you want to know which hero layout gets more clicks. PostHog makes it easy. Setup was quick and their documentations was clear and full of examples and tutorials. We went with a client-side experiment, but you can also run it server-side if you need. Once the test is live, PostHog handles the traffic split automatically. Half the users see one version, half see the other. Then you just check the dashboard to see which performs better. And that's the template. It's available on the Astro website, and you can clone the Storyblok space using the link there to get it up and running in no time. This is Pajamas. Thanks for watching.